case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2005, a case dominated headlines in Louisiana as it navigated the complex world of personal injury lawsuits. The case centered on an accident that occurred on November 15, 1999, on a seemingly benign stretch of Allen Parish's HWY 165, a straight, level, two-lane highway near Oakdale. Marilyn Maricle and her mother, Audrey McDaniel, were involved in a contentious collision with an 18-wheeler, driven by Donald Gene Dyer and owned by his employer, Transwood Trucking Company. The accident transpired as Dyer attempted to overtake Maricle's vehicle while she made a left turn, resulting in a damaging clash. Despite the severity of the collision, the initial jury found Dyer not at fault, dismissing the claims lodged by Maricle and her mother against Dyer and his employer. Disagreeing with the juridical conclusion, Maricle and McDaniel chose to appeal, challenging the decision based on the perceived presence of 4 legal errors. Their appeal reached the Louisiana Court of Appeal, which concurred with their contention on 3 of the proposed errors. Notably, the court ruled that Trooper Mire's testimony, initially considered in the verdict, was inadmissible due to the conclusions made from his investigative analysis, not first-hand knowledge, rendering the accident report unusable as evidence. Likewise, it also deemed inadmissible the evidence of a traffic citation and payment of the associated fine, since there was no evidence of a guilty plea. Despite agreeing with the validity of the appeal to some extent, the Court of Appeal ultimately upheld the trial court's decision, concluding that Maricle was solely responsible for the accident. Citing violations of Louisiana. Revised Statutes 32-73-1, 32-75, and 32-104, the court reaffirmed the duty of passing and left-turning motorists, leading to dismissal of claims made by Maricle and McDaniel. As the dust settled on the legal battle, the court ruled that the costs of the appeal should be borne by the plaintiffs. The case served as a stark reminder of the intense scrutiny involved in personal injury cases, underlining the need for claimants to sufficiently prove that the other party was at fault and responsible for causing the accident. While the legal interpretation met with dissent from one judge, the majority ruling offered a compelling discourse on the responsibilities of motorists on the road.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.